Kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets and numbers and 2D shapes. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, pink color, black color, light pink color, blue color, light green color, orange color, purple color, green color, brown color, red color and sky blue color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. Kids, now you draw B. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first we draw 1. O-N-E 1. Kids, now you draw 2. T-W-O 2. Kids, now you draw 3. 3. 3. Kids, now you draw 4. 4. 4. Kids, now you draw 5. 5. Kids, now you draw shapes. And first we draw a square. The shape of square. Kids, now you draw circle. The shape of circle. The shape of circle. Kids, now you draw triangle. The shape of triangle. Triangle. Kids, now you draw heart. The shape of heart. The shape of heart. It's lastly draw star. The shape of star. The shape of star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.